Hi. 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 You know, the dogs, I saw a girl dog sit like that. Girl dogs really do just sit like that. You eating the food, you better eat that dry food. Ain't nobody got time for bougie dogs. That's Max. That's Stella. They've been fed. They pooped. They peed. They ran back and forth and back and forth. Now look, they've been disciplined for pissing and pooping around the compound. Now look, oh, I'm tired. I'm so tired. Look, Max looking out for Stella. Y'all so tired. Come on. Come on. Look at that. Look at this. Trying to take them for a walk. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come on. Come on, let's go for a walk before mommy workout. Come on. Get off my toes. What you doing? What you doing? Jerry.
Maybe they can leak anything, then they start vomiting that. When was the last time they vomit? Okay, vomiting can happen if they leak anything not through the stomach, so it's not good. Okay. Take it out.
Yeah, especially it was marked, so because it should be marked. It's very stubborn.
Yes, you can eat, drink anything bad, so the stomach will pull it out. Maybe they can leak anything, then they start vomiting that. When was the last time they vomit?
Stella a beast with this rope though. She a beast with this rope. He got her by a pound, but she a beast with this rope. She be chumping him. I be so happy because he really do be beating her down. He a big brother. He really do be doing her dirty. She a beast with this rope. Stella said, I'm no punk bitch. I'm no punk bitch. Yeah, with him. You see that? German Shepherd and Pit Bull. So they look like a German. A sister that was supposed to be getting the, she gave them to me. A sister gave them to us. Okay, so they got their vaccinations today, and they should be good for 1 year, the vaccinations. With the next guard, give them the next guard before they eat. Come on, you're gonna fall. Give this to them before they eat, and don't give it to them in the car because they may throw up, but give this to them before they eat, the next guard. That's for the flea and things and worms. Just keep an eye on them. In case if you see worms, you don't have to bring them in. You could just come and get the pills. If they have fleas or worms, they can come and get the pills. Go ahead, sit down. I know you're hurting. Got 3. They got 2 shots apiece. Max got 3 shots. Max got 3 shots, probably because of the worms. They took 1 worm out of his face. The other ones are too hard to get out. They got a red shot, a yellow shot. They both got a red shot and a yellow shot apiece. And they both got a red shot and a yellow shot apiece on each side. And then Max got he got a shot just before the red and a yellow shot because of the worms. And then I'll give them the pill before they eat tonight. But the vet said that they should be good for 1 year since they got their vaccination, so they should be good for 1 year. And we'll see them. He said that they look 3 months, so 12 weeks. But we must know the weight before, because it is separated by weight. She saw me. She was sitting there watching him. And I'm gonna let him do it because he was sitting there laying down in his little bowl and he wasn't really moving, so I'm gonna let him do what he wanted to. And Brandy left some chicken breast in there, so I'm frying milk and I'll cut that up and give them one.